information on our website as well. All right, Rob. Well, hopefully at least the weather can kind of help out with people who will have to be out and about today and those still trying to go get their things on campus.
Yeah, let's brighten it up a little bit. Talk about the forecast, which is going to be really, really nice. I mean, maybe getting a little bit warm for some, but we're getting towards the end here of April. It's supposed to start getting a little bit warm. A lot of us are going to start up over 50 this morning. I think we're going to get into the middle and upper 80s this afternoon. We got to 85 yesterday. No reason we can't get just as warm again today. And then overnight tonight, I don't think it's going to get as cool as the past couple of nights. This morning, not as cool as the past couple. So we've already started taking those first steps towards warmer starts, and I think that's going to continue this weekend. We're going to find a lot of spots, I think, tomorrow and on Easter Sunday where we start closer to 60 degrees. Now, a few clouds maybe at times today, but it's really more about sunshine. It's 50 at the Tallahassee Airport, 52 in Thomasville. We're at 56 in Valdosta. I always look at that third row, those dew point temperatures. As those numbers come up, it tells me a bunch of things. It most easily tells me that there's more moisture in the air. But how much becomes an issue? Because, well, when the air is really dry, overnight temperatures are able to fall a lot farther. When the air is really moist, it doesn't fall very much at all. And over the past couple of mornings, we've seen these dew points back near 40 or even in the 30s. Well, now they're closer to 50 in most spots. So we're not going to see the temperatures drop so much. It's going to have a little different feel to the air. And I think as those numbers continue to rise, that's why we're going to see overnight temperatures the next couple of nights stay closer to 60. Now, I do see that 48 at Quincy, but I also see that 70 at Panacea. So there's the range. Throw those two out, and most everybody else between 50 and 60. And that's pretty much where our numbers are going to be this morning. The breeze will be from the southeast and south today. It's not going to be breezy. It's not going to be foggy, but there could be a few spots where we get a little patchy fog. Out here from parts of Texas through Arkansas, Missouri, up into the Ohio Valley, that's where this next boundary is. And it just can't make a lot of progress until this big ridge of high pressure gets out of the way. It just doesn't look like that big ridge of high pressure wants to get out of the way. So over the next couple of days, that big blue H stays as our big weather player, and we end up watching this air mass just continue to modify a little bit, and that means it's going to get a little bit warmer and a little bit warmer still. So we're going to watch those temperatures climb on both sides of the day. I think we're going to notice it more in the mornings. Instead of being clear and cool and chilly, we want a little jacket. It's going to be a little bit warmer and a little bit more muggy out there. And of course, the afternoons have been getting kind of warm. They're going to keep getting kind of warm. On the Gulf today, winds out of the southeast and south, 8 to 16, seas 1 to 3 feet. This morning, it's 50s. We'll call it clear and comfy. This afternoon, I think we're going to see those top temperatures in the middle to upper 80s. We could see 86, 87, even 88 in spots. Tonight, a lot of us will keep it in the upper 50s to near 60. Still clear, still comfortable, but just a little different than the past couple of nights. And there's that 7-day forecast where the rain chances stay really low. The temperatures start to get a little bit higher, especially in the mornings. And nobody's Easter Sunday is going to get washed out. But I do think it's going to be a little toasty on Sunday.